In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who is in my campaign in Dripify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your campaign's audience and how to read the key details Dripify shows about each lead so you can quickly understand who's included and what stage they're in. First, open your Dripify dashboard. From here, head to your list of campaigns. If you manage several, it can help to sort by most recent or use the search bar to find the campaign you want to inspect. Once you've located it, click directly on the campaign name to open its overview. This takes you into the campaign's dedicated workspace, where all the settings, performance, and audience information live in one place. Inside the campaign, look for the tab labeled Audience. Depending on your current Dripify interface, this might also be called Leads or Lead List. They all point to the same section, the place where you can see the people who are part of this campaign. Click that tab to open the full roster of leads tied to the campaign. On this page, you'll see a list of leads along with helpful counts and status indicators. The total collected or added number shows how many leads are currently included in the campaign. Pending refers to leads that are queued up but haven't yet progressed to the next action in your sequence. This is normal when campaigns are throttled or when actions are scheduled. Skipped typically means a lead didn't meet a condition, was already contacted, or triggered a safeguard like a duplicate check. You may also see other statuses that reflect where a lead sits in your workflow, such as active or completed, depending on your setup. Take a moment to scan the columns shown. You'll usually find basic profile info and the current status for each lead. Many interfaces let you filter or sort by status, which is useful if you want to focus on just the pending leads or quickly spot any skipped entries. If you hover over status badges or small info icons, Dripify often provides tooltips that explain why a lead has a particular status. If your audience numbers look different than expected, double-check that you're viewing the correct campaign and refresh the page to ensure you're seeing the latest data. If you don't see an Audience or Leads tab at all, look for similarly named options within the campaign. And if it's still missing, you may need to confirm that your user role has permission to view lead lists. That's it. Open the campaign, go to the Audience tab, and review the counts and statuses to understand exactly who's in your campaign.